For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Despite resumption of domestic flights on May 25th, Kolkata airport resumed its operation today as it was shut due to the cyclone Amphan. Kolkata airport delayed its operation due to the severe effect of cyclone Amphan. The Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose airport's runway was completely inundated. Several airports were completely damaged as cyclone Amphan wreaked havoc with a speed of 180 miles per hour in parts of West Bengal. The first flight carrying 40 passengers left for Guwahati in the wee hours on Thursday. First flight landed at Kolkata airport was from Delhi, which was carrying 122 passengers. The airport welcomed the passengers with proper checks. Recently, the West Bengal government issued new guidelines for the passengers arriving at the airport. All the passengers should wear masks and maintain social distancing. The passengers should undergo medical checkup at the airport. Only asymptomatic passengers are allowed to board the flights. All the passengers arriving in West Bengal must be in 14-day home quarantine. Passengers showing moderate symptoms of the virus will be sent to dedicated hospitals for COVID-19. The passengers must install Arogya Setu app. Only flyers with web check-in will be allowed inside the airport. Authorities have made arrangements for contactless traveling at the airport. One of the passengers who arrived in Kolkata airport from Delhi is reported to have high fever. As per the West Bengal airport officials, the Air India passenger has been handed over to State Health Department for further testing.
Today we are going to have 8 flights. As you know, we are taking utmost care for passengers' precaution. You can just see, even as soon as passenger comes, we check for the temperature. Then the baggages are disinfected. We kept the touch-free hand sanitizer. Passengers will do hand sanitization. Then we check the Arogya Setu. Then they proceed for further by our security personnel. We'll check the boarding card, that is web check-in boarding card, then ID.
Eventually, more flight services will be in operations from Kolkata.